Hello and welcome to another update video about gold. Yeah, gold has not really changed anything, or we don't have any reason to change anything here on the gold chart. What I'd like to do, however, is to move up the support area and would like to talk to you about the potentials that we have and if the wave count changed at all. Okay, so the wave count, first of all, hasn't changed, but I think with the latest strong extension here to the upside, the probabilities are that we're already in the heart of the third wave rally, in this main element of the third wave rally. We see gold rally without any deep pullback. We had enough deep pullbacks in recent months and also last year. I've been bullish throughout for a good reason, because there is nothing bearish about this chart. Okay, there's nothing bearish about this chart. I know there are some who are entertaining bearish outlooks still about gold. And I'm not telling you it's going to moon, because it's not going to do that. But I have been bullish since the 2022 low. And a lot of you will know that if you've been following this channel. Since the 22 low, I've been bullish on gold. And we've been patient and patient. We have worked through these corrections, which have been extremely frustrating. Yeah, very long, very draining. But I've always highlighted to you that the corrections in the metals market are extremely frustrating. And we have to be patient, because when gold runs and silver as well, then they are going to run quickly. And if I have a bullish and a bearish count together, I would rather emphasize the bullish one, because I know how they can escalate. And we've been waiting and waiting for that third wave rally, and now we can reap the rewards. I would just want to caution or make everybody aware that think twice before you get too small with your positions. I mean, this could still rally to 2,500, 2,700 possibly, yeah? So still quite decent. The microstructures, there are two, which I already shared with you in the last update. In one scenario, we already completed a wave 1 of wave C of 3, because we're dealing with an overall ending diagonal, in which the subwaves are corrective, but we're now in a C wave. So we have the possibility that wave 1 already completed here on the 7th of March, and the wave 2 pullback completed here around the 20th of March. And yeah, 11th of March, 20th of March. And we're now in the third wave rally. Then we could get another 4 and 5, and that would complete the C wave of wave 3. That's one scenario. In this scenario, we will not most likely dip into the yellow support region again, and we'll just continue to rally. And in terms of targets for the third wave of the C wave, actually, we should see the price get to minimally 2,424, possibly 2,458, okay, in wave 3 of C. In the yellow count, we have an extended fifth wave. Wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4 is a running flat, and we get here this as a wave 5 at the moment. Technically speaking, that's actually possible on the silver chart as well. But it's so long, this fifth wave, it's not reliable. And then, however, if we get a pullback, it should also form a higher low also in this scenario. If it happens, I would rather approach this scenario from a mindset like, okay, if it happens, there's a support zone and another opportunity to add a position possibly in the region between 2,189 and 2,061. So also here, as long as we're holding 2,061, I'm bullish, but it shouldn't actually get down into that region anymore. Maybe the upper half or so. And we have a wave 4 low in place here around 2,150. So wave 2 sometimes dips into the region around the previous wave 4 of 1 lower degree. So there's a possible target there. But there's currently no evidence that this rally has finished. And you could use possibly a trend line as a first indication, okay, if this rally has finished or is finishing. But for now, yeah, I would not assume a top is in place until the trend line breaks. And it should guide us to 2,424. So just want to give you a very quick update about gold. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. And if you're interested in daily updates about the S&P 500, as well as regular updates about stocks, then feel free to check out our stocks and S&P 500 service. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.